Just wanted to say hello, and I've got a craft to share with you today. This week we're talking about reuse and recycle, and today I wanted to share with you my village. This is called Tammy Town, and I've made a little town out of boxes and things that I have around the house, and you probably have boxes and things that you can use. And so I'm going to show you some of the buildings today, and then we're going to actually make one that's out of a paper sack. And then each time that I come to you with another craft, I'll show you how to do another one of my buildings, okay? This one right here is my garage, and it was made just with a box, and you can see I cut out my letters from an old magazine that actually came in the mail. It was a sales flyer. And got my little guy right here. And then these are my skyscrapers. My skyscrapers are made out of a box and some aluminum foil and a black marker. This one is my flower shop because it's my town. It had to have a flower shop in it. And this one I actually used some wrapping paper that Mom or Dad probably has laying around somewhere, that made a little flower shop for me. And then over here I also have my magic shop. And this one was one that I made from a sales flyer that came in the mail, and it just had the word magic on it, so I made myself a magic shop. And then of course you have to have a really cool drive-in theater. That'd be a lot of fun right now to go to one of those, wouldn't it? And this, as you can see, is just the cardboard with some white paper for our screen and some pictures that I cut out of another sales flyer. And then right here, last but not least, are my paper sack buildings. And this one is a church in Tammy Town, and I made that one. As you can see, it's a paper sack. It has the doors and the windows. And then this one is our brick building. They call them brownstones. Actually, in New York and San Francisco, they have buildings that are done with brick, and they're side by side. And so in Tammy Town, they have a brownstone, and we're going to make one of those out of a paper sack today. Okay, they're really, really easy. And I'm going to show you how to do it. You can ask Mom or Dad to help you, and you can build your very own town. So let's go right over here, and we will get started. Here we go. Ready? You're going to make your very own paper sack building. You can decorate it any way you want to, but I decided I wanted mine to look like bricks. So here's what you're going to do. I have a gift sack, but you can make this building out of any kind of paper bag at all. Miss Tammy's going to cut this off right here at the bottom. Just like that. We're going to save those because we might use those later on, because we want to reuse as much as we possibly can. And then I drew a little pattern on mine already so that I could show you on the video a little bit quicker what we're going to do. But I drew a door, just like this, and then a couple of windows. The windows are squares. You can make your window any shape you want to. It could be a square, a rectangle. You could have triangle windows, whatever you want to do. We're going to draw our window just like that. We're going to put our window panes in the middle. Kind of looks like the letter T. And then we're going to draw our bricks. And I'm using a black marker. You can use any kind of a black marker, or even a black color crayon will work great. And you're just going to make a straight line, and then you're going to put your dividers in for your bricks. And just because we don't have a lot of time right now, I want to show you how to color in your bricks. But I'm using 3 crayons, a red one, an orange one, and a white one. And all you're going to do is you're going to color your bricks. And again, you can use any color you want. You may want to have a building that has purple and pink and white bricks, or maybe yellow and blue and red bricks. It's up to you. It's your town. You can decorate it any way you want to. And again, all we're using is a paper sack. The great thing about making your town is you can use boxes. I used boxes from oatmeal that I had left over. I have another box that my plastic bags were in, and when my plastic bags were finished, I made another building out of that. That's what's great about making your town, because you can use whatever Mom or Dad has on hand. As you can see, these are my bricks, and if I was going to finish it, I would make the lines all the way down. But we're going to color our windows in with some white. And then I'm going to actually color in my door just like this. And again, you might want to have a blue door or a pink door or a rainbow door or a polka dot door. You can make your townhouse, your building, any way you want to. This is your town that you're making, and you can use your town to play with your cars or your stuffed animals or your Barbie dolls or whatever you have around the house. It's kind of fun to make a town and be able to do anything you want to with it. Then last but not least, you're going to ask Mom or Dad to help you, and you're going to cut the door just like that. And then you're going to open up your paper sack. And there you have it. You have your very own building. See? And you can drive your cars in there and do anything you want to. I hope you have a lot of fun with your town.